Hey Polk County teens, it's Amelia from the library, and today I'm here to show you a fun snack that you can make at home. Every Thursday we're going to be having teen programs virtually on our Facebook page as well as our library website, and you can print off a schedule or you can just check back to see what's going on. This week we're making pineapple Dole snacks, which is like a pineapple ice cream. Next week we're going to be making some string painting art, which is a take and make. So if you come by the library, we'll send you home with all the materials you need to do that activity. And there's lots of other things going on, so be sure to check out our schedule. But for today, I'm going to show you how to make pineapple ice cream. We're going to be using 3 ingredients. So I have pineapple chunks, and these are frozen. I have pineapple juice that I've already opened, so I'm not going to hold it up for you to see. You can just see it's right here. And vanilla ice cream. And this is the best snack that you will ever have. I have 2 1-cup measuring cups to use. I have an ice cream scoop. I have a can opener that I use to open my jar of pineapple juice, so I won't be using it in this video, but just know that you will need one if you're doing this at home. I have some cups to put this in, and I have spoons to eat it with when I'm done. So we're gonna get started. This is a food processor that you can use a blender or a food processor, just something to mix up the ingredients with. And to start off, we're gonna put 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks in here. And it looks like, according to my bag, I have 3 cups of frozen chunks in here. So I'm gonna scoop these out and put them right into the food processor. When you make this, it'll be like a soft serve ice cream, but if you put it in your freezer, it'll harden up, so it'll be like the vanilla ice cream that's in this container. So I've got 2 cups of the frozen pineapple chunks. I'm going to use 1 cup of ice cream, so scoop it out. Let's see. If you're making this in your kitchen, it's really a sticky thing to make. So make sure that you have a tablecloth down, or you can wipe your counter off afterwards. Get all the ice cream off of there. This is just plain vanilla ice cream. There's nothing special about it, except it's going to taste really good when we're finished. Put that in the food processor. And then, to really make sure it has a pineapple flavor, we're going to put pineapple juice in. So we're going to use half a cup of pineapple juice. Let's see if I can do this without spilling it. Ugh. Hang on. Okay. It's going everywhere. This is why you want to make sure you have a tablecloth down. So there's my half a cup of pineapple juice, and I'm going to put the lid on the processor. Make sure that the lid is locked, or you'll have pineapple ice cream everywhere. Alright, so the lid's locked, and then I'm going to put it on low. I'm going to make sure it's plugged in. Alright, so it's plugged in now, so it should be good. Let's see. This is all very interesting. You may have to stop the video. It's Jen to the rescue! Jen's gonna come save us.
Alright, let's see if we can figure this food processor out. Should be working. It seems like everything is locked, but it doesn't like something.
This could happen to you at home, so.
Exactly, you gotta see the mistakes. The lid needs to be locked in. I think that was the problem.
Alright, here we go. cream, but it's a little chunky still. So if you want lots of pineapple chunks in there, you can leave it how it is, or you can keep going. So I'm gonna keep going. Certainly smells good. It might be the pineapple juice that I spilled over here, but it smells really good. Okay. And then you get a consistency that looks kind of like this, and you're ready to put it into cups to eat. Okay. So like I said, this is going to be a soft serve ice cream texture, and then if you decide to save some for later, you can put it in the freezer and you can scoop it out with an ice cream scoop because it'll be harder. All right, but there's your yummy snack that you can make and share with your friends and family.